Welcome to our presentation on what is a thesis statement and how do I write one. This guide is designed to help students understand and craft strong thesis statements for their essays and papers. Hello everyone. Today we're going to explore the concept of a thesis statement. We'll discuss what it is, why it's important, and how to write a compelling one. By the end of this presentation, you'll have a clear understanding of how to create a strong thesis statement for your academic work. A thesis statement is a single sentence that expresses the main idea or argument of your paper. It answers the question, what is this paper about? Typically, you will find the thesis statement at the end of the introduction of your essay or paper. A thesis statement is crucial for guiding your writing and keeping you focused on your main point. It helps your readers understand the central idea of your paper and provides a roadmap for your essay. This clarity benefits both the writer and the reader. A good thesis statement is clear and specific, presenting your main point in a straightforward way. It should be debatable, meaning others might agree or disagree with it. Keep it concise, usually 1 or 2 sentences long, and make sure it reflects the scope of your paper, covering the main points you'll discuss. There are 3 main types of thesis statements: analytical, expository, and argumentative. An analytical thesis breaks down an issue or idea into parts and evaluates it. An expository thesis explains a topic to the audience. An argumentative thesis makes a claim and justifies it with evidence. Each type serves a different purpose and suits different kinds of papers. To write a thesis statement, start with a question about your topic. Turn that question into a statement. Then refine the statement to be specific and clear. Finally, ensure it reflects the main idea of your paper. This process helps you create a focused and effective thesis statement. Let's look at some examples of thesis statements. A weak thesis might say social media is bad. A stronger thesis would say social media negatively impacts mental health by reducing face-to-face interactions, increasing cyberbullying, and promoting unrealistic expectations. The strong thesis is specific, debatable, and clear. When revising your thesis statement, ask yourself if it answers the question and is specific enough. Make sure it covers the main points of your paper and revise for clarity and conciseness. A well-refined thesis statement will make your paper stronger and more coherent. Avoid common mistakes such as being too vague or broad, making a statement of fact instead of an argument, having a thesis that doesn't relate to the content of your paper, and writing a thesis that's too complex or long. Keeping your thesis clear and focused will help you avoid these pitfalls. Now, let's do a practice exercise. Choose a topic you're interested in and write a question about it. Turn that question into a thesis statement and refine it to be clear and specific. Share your thesis statement with a partner or group for feedback. This practice will help you improve your skills in writing strong thesis statements. To conclude, a strong thesis statement is crucial for a good essay. It guides your writing, helps readers understand your main point, and provides a clear focus for your paper. Practice writing and revising thesis statements by starting with a question, turning it into a statement, and refining it to be specific and clear. Thank you for listening. Thanks for watching. Feel free to ask any questions you have down below.